Guys, the government is still closed. This is the longest it's ever been closed. But however, let's take advantage of the slow moving processes now that are going on within the government, and let's get these bankruptcies deleted off of your credit report. Today, Coach Q and I are going to show you exactly what we've been doing for our companies to get the results that we've been getting through the government shutdown.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm new to the channel. I'm Credit Coach Q. This is my lovely co-host, Miss Tina Talks Credit. Welcome back to the channel, Miss Tina. Guys, this is going to be a very powerful video because as you may know, the government is still shut down and we are using it to our advantage, right? So today we're going to talk about how to remove bankruptcies. Bankruptcy is one of the most challenging things to remove from your credit report. But if you can remove a bankruptcy with all the debt attached to it, guys, it is a game changer. So with the government being shut down, that means that it is fewer people verifying the disputes that we're filing, and with fewer people, that means that they doesn't have the time that's actually needed to do a proper investigation, and that can give you a edge when it comes to getting everything removed, including bankruptcy. So today we're going to focus on bankruptcies, and we're going to teach you and show you how to get everything removed. So let's dive straight in. I want to show you guys my notes because I don't want to miss anything. The federal government is on day 28 of the full shutdown. The Senate has just failed a funding vote for the 13th time. The federal courts are under a judge order block on layoffs. That means that the system that verifies bankruptcies could be slower than ever. So, guys, as you may know, what you say, sis?
No, I was just in agreement, guys. I'm just excited about this whole thing because we got bankruptcies just flying off.
Yeah, bankruptcies just flying off credit reports is a once in a lifetime opportunity. So, guys, I oblige you guys to actually jump on this ASAP. If you need any credit repair, type in credit repair in the comment section and we will jump to you. Now, everything on your credit report has to be 100% accurate, 100% verifiable, and 100% timely, right? Now, with verifiable, they have a timeline for all of the verification that's needed to do on your credit report. Now, if they do not meet that timeline by law, they have to remove it. And the FCRA do not stop. The consumer laws do not stop because of a government shutdown. There is no window or no bill in place to caveat that. So we're going to take it and use it to our advantage. Federal courts and agencies, the ones behind the public record verification system like PACER, are being stretched right now. So PACER is the software that houses all bankruptcies. It's not TransUnion, it's not Equifax, it's not Experian. It might be on there, but all the information all the verification information is on the system PACER, right? A judge just extended a block of mass layoffs across dozens of agencies, which means fewer people, fewer updates, and potentially verification delays. Now, I told you 100% verifiable. At the same time, major assistance programs from the government, food, preschool, heating, are already losing funding. That shows the shutdown isn't just political, it is creating real resource breakdown. The system is stuck, which means delays are mounting. What did you say, sis?
I'm just in agreement.
Yeah.
I'm in agreement.
So I can't see you right now because I'm reading from this these notes. Okay, so the body FCA verification angle under the Fair Credit Report Act, the item can't be fully verified, it must be deleted, like I just said, which with the verification chain stressed by a prolonged shutdown, you have your opening. This is your opportunity, opening, whatever you want to call it. Guys, jump on this. Verification via PACER, public records, vendors, courts are impacted. Call to action. This window might not last forever. Once the shutdown ends, normal operations will resume and verification pipelines pick back up. You act now, you are using the system weakness to your advantage. If you want to help doing it step by step, join the Service Academy today. So guys, with that being said, if you have any credit repair goals, whether you want to use this method to do it yourself, go to mycreditapproved.com. If you want a professional to help you, go to Tina Talks Credit YouTube channel and follow her description to get on the phone and talk to her staff or herself, and she will get the ball rolling. Like I said, if you need any credit repair, type credit repair in the comment section and we will help you out and guide you in the right direction. All right, so that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to allow Miss Tina, my sis, to jump on. She's going to break this down even further. She is the dispute guru, and I'm going to give you the floor. All right, go ahead, sis.
Okay, guys. So I've been I love that information. Thank you so much, Q. This is it's so deep, guys. So what I have to say is this. Now, you know how they do like back end verifying, like the credit bureaus do? Like they can reach out to Social Security Administration, the IRS, and of course you have LexisNexis, right, and Pacer. So because the government is shut down now, like imagine a battery that's fully charged, that's just slowly going down, losing energy. That's what I'm seeing right here with what's going on with the government. So everything is just trickling down and slowing. So you have your bankruptcy courts that are still open, so people are still able to file bankruptcies, but that reporting and the paperwork, all this information is slowing down, going to Pacer, and Pacer is slowing down. That is what I'm seeing in our disputing process. Not to mention the IRS, everything is slowing down because you have people who are furloughed or they're not working. People are not going to just sit here and work for free, guys, right? So things are slowing down, which means verification processes are slowing down. So that is what I am super excited about as it relates to getting bankruptcies removed off of credit reports. So if you are going to dispute, self-dispute, however you're going to dispute, I would say now is the time. Now, as you know, there's no 100% guarantee in credit repair. That's just, the name of the game. But you have a great chance now. I would say you have like a 95% chance at getting what you need to get done if you go ahead and start doing it now. And also, I want to add that when you dispute with LexisNexis, you're not just disputing with LexisNexis. LexisNexis has a company called Assurant. Now, Assurant is LexisNexis' company that houses all of the bankruptcy information. So, like, just to say, Assurant is LexisNexis' little, tuck away little power bank here that has all the info. So when they need it, they go to Assurant and grab it from Assurant because Assurant is that for LexisNexis. LexisNexis is their parent company. So you can't dispute directly with Assurant, but you have to go through LexisNexis. So when you are disputing this information, know that Pacer has slowed down verification because they are government owned and they are shutting down, right? So know that you have a great chance of getting things done with your bankruptcy. Now is the time, guys. It's like let's get it going now. So yeah, so that's what I want to say. I mean, what do you think about it, Q? Like, how is stuff going over there with you?
So with the company, we are I will say we are breaking records
Yeah.
on issues that we're getting for our clients. This
Mhm.
is like, it's bittersweet because I do
Yeah.
realize that the funding is low. I know that people are being affected by the funding drainage, whether it's food stamps, whether it is government jobs.
Yeah.
But guys, if you have a credit repair issue, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity to
Yeah.
benefit these circumstances. If you want us to do a step-by-step on this, type in step-by-step in the video chat, guys, and we will go and do this step-by-step. This video is more so for awareness and giving you guys back on track. If you are a procrastinator or drug your feet when it comes to these type of openings or opportunities, guys, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get
Yeah.
back
Yeah.
on your credit and get it taken care of forever. So like I said, if you need credit repair, type it in the comment section. If you want us to do step-by-step, type in the comment section. If you found any of this video helpful, remember to
Yeah.
like and subscribe to the channel, guys. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, like I said before.
And guys, like stuff is getting real. Like it's been getting real for a while. So I mean, honestly, just honest advice, one person to another. Like if you don't have your credit together, now is the time. Like get it together, get your finances together because funding is getting low. Like SBA, like the government is shut down. People want SBA loans, and it's like if you want that, you need to go ahead and get right and get that now. Like stuff is getting real out here. It's not getting any easier, especially financially. So if you do have credit problems, now is the time. I don't care if you sit down and handwrite a letter with a pen and some paper. It's time to go ahead and get started now. I urge you because things are slimming down and things are really real now. We're at a critical moment, in our economy here in the United States. So it's time to get it together for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's just serious talk. Yeah.
All right, guys, if you found any of this information helpful, if you want credit repair, guys, like I said, type it in the comment section. If you want for someone to do it for you, go to Tina Talks Credit. If you already on her video, just type in the description and go to her comment section and type credit repair, and she will send you a link to actually go through the prompts to get it done. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. This video needs to go out to as many people as possible. If you know someone that has credit repair issues, send it, like and subscribe, and share this video to as many people as possible. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit, take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q is out. Peace.
All right.